This episode was about a new technology named IDA that were robotics bees that they made because the bees were extinct on the planet. But these IDAs were hacked and they start killing people. But some detectives start discovering some clues in this case, and they looked at these idols were killing because a hashtag used on the social network. But when they discovered who did this and they tried to revert all of this, they discovered that the real purpose of this was to kill the people that before coming to kill another people. The killer left the country. All the people think that one of the detectives committed suicide, but she only faked her own death to find the killer, and at the end she found him. Some of the technologies that we saw in this episode is near to the technology that we have today, but the idea is like we can see is technology of adaptation. What I want to say with this is that we don't need that technology if we don't do the bad things that they do in this episode, like extinct the bees. The technology always has a lot of benefits on the society because but all depends how we use it. I think that our cell phones are like the bees, but our cell phones can kill us. But if you see the bees now, if you can, if you see the bees now, where you are, where you live, and what are you doing? Our cell phones do the same to us. The big ethical problem starts with humanity. First of all, the idea exists because humanity ends with the existence of the beast. Then the company that do the idea, they want the improvement on the government and they do bad things that the government want in this project that was spying us. The third thing is that Garrett Scholes, the killer, make a program to kill people that people hate in that moment. And the last one was that all the people that put the names of people that were killed with the hashtag died, they died too because the real purpose of the program was to kill the people that want to kill another people. I think that the society of the episode was doing some cyberbullying, and right now this is a big problem in our society. I think that the people take all the things like a game and they don't even realize they are hurting someone. I really don't see any difference in that society with our society. In some part of the episode, this looks too real for us. I think that is the same with all the technologies and all the inventions. All depends on the purpose of your project. If you want to do something like the IDA or example a chef robot, and if you have a good finality, you will have only benefits in your invention. But if you do the things with a double moral, all your good work and its benefits will change to a bad work with lot of disadvantage. I think that these and all inventions could have a better finality. Like the IDA, it could help a lot in the agriculture. They can do all the things easily and faster. And like a chef robot, it could help a lot with our nutrition. But if that chef robot is programmed to do only fast food, it could affect our nutrition. A big example of innovation today is the cars that drive by their own. Right now, there's a big debate about this because some cars were on the streets and one of these already caused one death. The car don't see a big bus and it crashed. I think that if they make this more perfect, the cars in the future will be driven by their own. But right now, they could help. They could be like an ambulance, and with all their technology automatic with the call of someone, the ambulance will go with the better route, and it could go faster, and with the program it could go easily and in less time, and that time could save life.